Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go! The week has started as expected. After three strong candles in the previous week, we had another bearish candle that took the price below 0.96716 support and took the price close to 0.94861 support level around this demand zone. We can see that this bearish candle has reached the previously mentioned level 0.96, where we could expect small support, and we can see that the price has stopped just around this level, where we have a second candle on Tuesday that has tried to return the price back up, where we can see a pin bar making a confirmation of this breakout of the support and making this line as a resistance currently. We can see that the price has tried on Wednesday to reach a lower level than these two candles before, close to this support level and demand zone, but the price could not reach this level, but the price reversed back up, where the strong buying pressure has pushed the price upwards, closing the price above the currently resistance level, and now that is currently acting as a support. We can see the price has managed to close above these two candles that the week has started and has closed inside this area, which is between resistance and support level, where we could expect the price to continue moving up, because the price did not stop on the first resistance level around this supply zone, which was indicating that the price has managed to break above and to continue to move up. On the next day, we can see that price has returned back down, testing the previous resistance level as a support right now, and the price manages to continue to move up, reaching higher levels, and the price has reached this downtrend resistance line, which is now preventing the price to continue moving up. We can see that the price has also stopped around this area, which was mentioned in the previous analysis, that it will be the first obstacle for the price when the price moves to the upside, because this is the area where the price will have a strong resistance, stronger resistance, and the supply area where the sellers are preventing the price to move up. We can see also that this area is also confluence of resistance, where we have a downtrend resistance line that is now preventing the price to continue move up. We can see that the Friday candle, a bearish candle that could not close the price above this previous candle close, and the price has reached the level which we can see here on this bearish candle, which is indicating after the price has made a bearish pin bar, the price could not continue to move up, because here are the sellers that are preventing the price to move up. We can see also that the bearish candle that took the price down, reaching this level, which is a small support level for the price when it was returning back down. So we can check also what has happened on the 4-hour time frame to see how the market has looked. We can see that the week has started here with the price going down, reaching this 4-hour time frame support level, and then returning back up, checking this previously support as now as a resistance. And after that, we can see that the price has tried to move again down, but it has stopped here, where it's small support, and pushed the price again to test the previous support as now resistance again, and made a pin bar, bearish pin bar, which was a nice bearish price action signal. From here, the price is returning back down, reaching again this support level on a 4-hour time frame, but it could not close below it. The price has managed to close on the 4-hour time frame below this level, which was a small indication that the price could continue down, but the price could not close on the next day, on the next 4-hour time frame below which, and also a second day after this bearish candle, which was indicating that the price cannot reach lower levels, and we can see the bullish candle that has closed above this small bearish candle. From here, the price has managed to make a strong bullish candle that took the price over all previous 4-hour time frame candles. We can see that has closed above, which was indicating that the price has managed to break this 4-hour time frame resistance level and also this one. So it was expected that the price will try to continue to move up. And it has tried again close to this first resistance level on a 4-hour time frame, which is also here. We can see it, a small resistance where the price has indecision candle and the price could not move up on the next candle, which was a bearish, where the price continued to move down. After that, the price returned back down, returning and confirming this area as a demand zone, where are the support level and where are the buyers, took the price to the higher levels. We can see it here right now. And then we can see also weekly time frame, where we can see that the week has started from here and has closed above. So we can see that the price has returned up, and we can see that we have a free space above this area to reach the first resistance level, where the price will have problems reaching higher levels. So this is here, first resistance area and the first supply zone, where are the sellers are waiting, and also where the bulls who took the price from here to here will try to exit. So expect the price has tried to reach higher levels close to this one, but the price will try to reach possibly this level in the next week. If we take a look on a monthly time frame, we can see that the price has bounced a lot from this level. So the next month is starting from this here, and there is a possibility that the price will try to continue move down in the next month. But first we are expecting on a lower time frames that the price continue to move up, making a retrace, and then we will see what can happen. In a monthly time frame, we can see what could happen is this, that the price could return back up and also reaching this level, which is the first resistance level for the month. So in October we could expect, if the price managed to reach this level and close the weeks above, we could expect the price to reach here this resistance level. On the bottom side, if we see the price on a small time frame, that is weekly and daily, closing below, we could expect the price to continue move down again, going down to 0.94861. Let's check the weekly time frame, what we can expect. So the price is currently here, and we can expect the price reaching this level here. This is this is the supply zone, where are the sellers are waiting. If the price closes above this area, which is a strong supply zone, we can expect the price reaching this level here, which is the next supply zone for the price. We can see that here from this level to here to this level is a strong supply zone, where the buyers will have hard time reaching these levels. But if the price closes above on a weekly time frame, we can expect the price to reach this level, which is also a monthly target for the bulls. If the price closes here and continues to move down, the next level is 0.94861, which is also a monthly target for the sellers. If we check on a daily time frame, let's see what we can expect in the next week. For the next week, we have here the price, and the price will probably try to close the price above this small downtrend resistance line and reaching this level here, which is a demand zone. We can see that this small area here up to here, so from here 0.99421 to 0.99020 is an area where the sellers are waiting, and we could expect the price to reach this level and find resistance to push the price on higher levels. This is also a weekly target that was mentioned a few seconds ago, and also if the price will close on a daily time frame above this level here, we can see that this is the level for the price and also for the bulls. If the price closes above this area 0.99724, we can expect the price to reach this level here, which is a supply zone and where the sellers are waiting to push the price back down again. This is also a weekly target, and also this is the monthly target. So we can expect that on a daily and a weekly and a monthly time frame we will have a strong supply zone here pushing the price down. If the price manages to close the price above this level here, then we can expect it above. If the price makes a price action signal, it's a bearish signal, we can expect the price returning back down here, where the price will stop around this level, here from here, which is a demand zone for the price that will prevent the price to move down. But if the price closes below these below this level from here to here, so this means if the price closes here on a daily time frame, we can expect the price to continue move down, reaching 0.94861, which is also weekly, monthly and daily target for the sellers. So for the next week, I'm expecting the price to reach this level here as a bullish attempt because of a strong engulfing bullish candle, and the second candle that we can see is pretty strong, and on a Friday a small bearish candle that could not reverse the price going down. So the next target is around this level. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!